Motion sensor hearing is a brand new feature that we've included on the Phonak Paradise platform, and it's available in rechargeable hearing aids from the performance level 50 and above. Motion sensor hearing aims to improve the automatic ability of the hearing aid, which can now not only respond to the sounds around the hearing aid wearer, but it can also respond to what the hearing aid wearer is physically doing. What this means is that the automatic system can be even more responsive to the hearing aid wearer's needs, because the needs of a hearing aid wearer will change in accordance to what they're physically doing.
A good example that demonstrates this in the real world is if we imagine a waitress with hearing loss working in a busy restaurant. As she moves around the restaurant, it's quite common for customers to try and get her attention for assistance, so hearing as well from all angles becomes the priority when she is in movement. However, if she stops to take an order from a customer, it now becomes much more important to hear the details of the order more clearly, so the hearing aids need to optimize speech understanding to ensure she understands exactly what the customer has ordered.
How does motion sensor hearing work? Motion sensor hearing works because we've included a brand new piece of hardware called a motion sensor. The motion sensor is an accelerometer, and it's able to detect movement in a variety of different axes. We use the accelerometer to understand what the hearing aid wearer is doing, whether they're physically moving, walking in a particular direction, or whether they're staying still. We also use the motion sensor to detect a double tap on the hearing aid, and this is for a completely different feature called tap control, which I cover in a different video, so feel free to check that video out to learn more about tap control. After the motion sensor detects the wearer has taken 6 steps in a noisy situation, it will then increase the access to sounds around the hearing aid wearer by lowering the strength of microphone directionality and, if available, dynamic noise cancellation. If the hearing aid wearer then stops and does not make any movements for 5 seconds, the hearing aid will then focus on sounds in front once again by increasing the strength of directional microphones and dynamic noise cancellation if available. So if motion sensor hearing is activated, when I'm in movement and I've taken more than 6 steps, the hearing aid will then deliver more sound from around me because there's less directionality being applied. This is great for improving environmental awareness and also localization. And if I'm walking somewhere with someone to the side of me, it'll also make it a lot easier to follow the conversation. So if I then stop moving, the hearing aid will detect that, and after 5 seconds, return to a more conventional strategy using directional microphone modes. This means sound in front of me will be clearer and sound from the sides and behind will be reduced. And this should improve signal to noise ratio, make it easier for me to follow conversations in noise, as well as improve social participation and lower cognitive effort.
Motion sensor hearing has been integrated into our automatic system called AutoSense OS 4.0, and the strength of this activity-based signal processing can be tailored to the hearing aid wearer's preferred level using our Phonak target fitting software.
Now this feature is only available in a rechargeable Paradise hearing aid, so the Audio PR or the Audio PRT from 50 performance level and above. Despite this being a high-performance feature, the rechargeable battery is still expected to last up to 16 hours with significant amounts of streaming from both Bluetooth and Airstream sources, or up to 24 hours if the hearing aids are used for acoustic purposes alone. Motion sensor hearing is one of the reasons why our automatic system, AutoSense OS 4.0, is the most advanced iteration of AutoSense OS ever. And it's also one of the many new reasons why Audio Paradise offers unrivaled sound quality.